Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Here are some ideas for fans that you can consider for your garden and our beautiful home. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested video. So here are some ideas for fans which you are consider for your garden and the home. Wood packet fan ideas. A classical choice for many homewares, a wooden picket fence ideas charm and the character to any garden or the home. Chain link fence ideas. A durable and low maintenance options for a chain link is the deal for keeping pets in and introduce out vinyl fence ideas. Similar to our wooden packet fin ideas, vinyl fence is the low maintenance and comes in the variety of color and the styles. Iron fence ideas are elegant and the timeless choice or iron fence provide both security and the beauty to your home and a beautiful garden. Stone wall fence ideas. A stone wall fence provides a natural and a rustic look to your garden and the home. Bamboo fence ideas. For an eco-friendly option, consider a bamboo fence. It is durable, easy to maintenance, and add a unique touch to any garden or our beautiful home. Fences can have a variety of advantages depending upon the specific use and context. Here are some potential advantages of fences. Safety and security, which is used for the home and garden. Fences can provide a safety and security by preventing unauthorized access to a property, keeping a pets inside a yard and creating physical barrier between potential dangerous areas and the people. Here are the important security and safety. This is main use of fences. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel for latest or more interested ideas, Stye and decorative art and craft. Number 2 is the main advantages of fences is the privacy. Privacy is the main tool of garden or many of own houses. Fences can provide a privacy by blocking the view from the neighbors and the passengers, allowing individual to enjoy the property without feeling exposed. It means privacy is the main part of garden and the home, which is barrier between to your home and your property, which you cannot exposed. Now number 3 is the noise reduction. Fences can help reduce noise pollution from outside source such as the traffic or the neighbors. Noise reduction is also used as a barrier. Now is the property value. Fences can increase the value of property by adding to its curb appeal, enhancing its security and the privacy feature, and creating a more enjoyable outdoor living space. Overall, the advantages of fences depending upon the specific needs and the goal of our property owner. Now here I will describe the types of fence such as wood fence, vinyl fence, chain fence, aluminum fence and wrought iron fence. These are the types of the fences which are used in the home and the garden, which is barrier from your area and other area. And now I will describe the prices of these fences, which is a variety depending upon the various factors such as the type of fence, the size of area to be fenced, the material can be used and the labor cost in your area. Here are some prices ranges for the common feature of fences. Now the number one which is I will I already described here wood fiends. Wood fiends is the linear foot which is price is $10 to $30 per linear foot. It is depending upon your area, and I will describe generally which is wood fiends price is $10 to $30 per linear foot. Now I will describe the second type of fiends which is vinyl fiends, which price $20 to $40 per linear foot. It is also depending upon the your area which you are buying, which you are used for the own area or not. It is generally rate I will describe $20 to $40 per linear foot of vinyl fiends. Now third number is chain link fiends, which is the man type, and its range is costly here. And chain link fiends ideas, which is price is $8 to $18 per linear foot. And the fourth number is aluminum fiends, which are generally used for the metal and used for the barrier, and which price is $20 to $40 per linear foot. It is according to general prices. And number 5 is wrought iron fiends ideas, which is dollar price is $25 to $50 per linear foot. Here are the some important prices of 5 types of fiends, and I will say already it is depending upon you, which area you are selecting, which country you are belonging, and it's important to know that these are the just estimates, and actual price may vary depending upon the various other factors such as the quality of the material used and the complexity of the fashion design and additional feature and or service required, such as gate installation, post digging. It's always better to get multiple quotes from the reputable and fiends constructor in your area to get in your accuracy and the estimate for your specific needs. I will describe many 5 types of fiends and advantages and many more about fiends. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel for latest or more interested videos. Here are the first part of fiends. I will share second part of fiends. If you like these ideas and like the fiends ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction for latest or more interested video. Take care. Bye bye.